Hello class, welcome to this. Let's learn the basics. Okay, today we learned at the perimeter. Okay, see, this is your perimeter. We will learn today the perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle, and perimeter of triangle. So let's get. The perimeter is the first of all the you can say that the addition of the all sides of the certain type of the figure or the plane figure, which can be known as your perimeter. Okay, we learned that the how should be a perimeter of the square taken. See, if you add, see, this side is given 3 3 3 3. Okay, then you will add 3 plus 3 plus 3, then you will get 3 plus 3 how many? 6. 6 plus 3 how many? 9. 9 plus 3 how many? You should always remind. Okay, see, this is the your 12 centimeter, and 12 centimeter or the units is the perimeter of your figure. Okay, these things are very important as your square contains the equal sides. The square contains each side of the square is equal, like this. No side of the square is different, and you should always remind, since it is a square, okay, all sides are equal in length. See, this is the statement, all are equal in length. Okay, you should remind it. Okay, let's get forward. This is an example of the contents of the each side of the 3 units. Then perimeter, you can add all sides, then you will get the perimeter also. See, in this we will say that this is a given square for us. Okay, in this you will get that the perimeter, in this the side is given 10 centimeter, side is given 10 centimeter, the perimeter. In this you will get that the formula of perimeter is used. Formula of perimeter as is that 4 into side is the formula. Okay, then you will get that the 4 into 10 is equal to 40 centimeter. This is your perimeter of square, and you should know that the how does it is taken. First of all, you should always remind the formula. This is formula. Okay, 4 into side, or you can use this. See, here is also given this. I think so you will not get. See, this for perimeter is equal to 4a. Okay, see, this is the square which contains the different sides. Okay, different sides means it has equal sides. That's why its perimeter is equal to 4 into sides, because the square has 4 sides. See, this is your one side, this is your one side, this is your one side, and this is, it means you have got 4. Okay, and the sides is equal to side given, then you will get your perimeter. Okay, this is the simple tricks you should understand, you should take in the matter, and then you can understand. Now we'll learn about the perimeter of rectangle. See how it is. The rectangle is a certain type of the figure which has the opposite sides equal. See, in this figure you will see that this is and this are both are equal, and in another you will see that the opposite sides are equal as the breadth or the width is equal. See, your this side and this side is equal. Okay, this is width, you can say it breadth also, according to the you can say it according to you. Okay, the perimeter of the rectangle is that the perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, L plus B 2. This is your formula of the perimeter. You should remind it. The bigger side of the rectangle is known as your length. This small size, which is known as your width, or you can say that it is known as breadth. Okay, according to it is depend upon you. This is your perimeter of rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle, you can say that the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2i, because there are the two opposite sides, and length and width is given. As you understand, the length and width is given. You can, to find the perimeters, to means to add this whole, you will have to, if you want to find the perimeter, then you will get that the length is given, then added breadth. Okay, see, like this length and breadth is given, but there are given the two lengths and there are given the two widths. Okay, so that's why you are taking 2, means the length perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2l plus b. Okay, this bracket means you have to multiply. Okay, the addition which comes, you have to see if the length and breadth comes as this is considered that it is 5 and it is 6. Okay, then you will get that the 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, 11 is equal to what? 22 centimeter. Okay, means your perimeter of rectangle is 22 centimeter. Remind this, these are the very important things which should be reminded. Okay, see, in this figure you will understand that the perimeter is the distance around the sides of the polygon. See, this figure you have given and you may understand it very carefully. And the rectangle is a two-dimensional polygon with 4 straight sides. See, these are the given sides having the equal, and these are two different sides which are equal. Means the rectangle, the property is known as the opposite sides of the rectangle are congruent. This congruent means they have the equal measurement. Okay, and their perimeter formula, as I told, the perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This is very important formula and you can remind it. Okay, so let's see forward what is given. See, here is the given a best example for you that see, don't use this may you may get confused through it. So see, use this formula perimeter. See that it is given the 17 centimeter, it is given the 17 centimeter, it is given 8 and it is given 8. Then you will use that the perimeter is equal to 2l plus breadth, means length 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, 2 into what will do 17 plus 18. Okay, see, like this. See, 2 into 17 plus 8 is equal to 50. You can understand through it also. It is also given for you and you may understand it clearly also. See, in this figure we will understand about that. See, in this example you will understand that there is given the length, here is given the breadth. Okay, the length is given you 12 centimeter, but you have to find the breadth. Okay, this type of examples also come. Then how will you use? Then see, you have to use the perimeter is equal to 2 into l plus breadth. Okay, means you have done that the 12 plus breadth. Okay, remind this. Okay, you have to find breadth because breadth is not given. Breadth is a question mark. Okay, then you will see that the 2, then 2 into 12, how many? You should first of all remind it and then you can get it. Okay, the simple techniques you have to use to solve it, there is nothing difference in between. And now you will see that how it is the perimeter. See, there are the many types of the triangle given, such as there are the equilateral triangle also. See, this is your equilateral triangle. Okay, this is your isosceles triangle, and this is your scalene triangle. Okay, in this figure you will see that these sides are congruent, this and this. Means in this figure only two sides are common and one is different, but in this side these are different. This in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. In scalene triangle no triangle or no side of the triangle is equal. And you will see that in isosceles triangle only two sides are equal. The perimeter of the triangle is known as the sum of all sides. Okay, in any if you use this, the sum of all sides, first of all you should get the length of the side. Okay, then you will get that add, then you have to add this. Okay, see, here you have seen that. See, the sum of all sides. Okay, here is given the 12 plus 8 and here is given an answer 32 centimeter. Okay, you should understand it. Now we will say that this is your formula sheet which is very helpful for you. You may take a screenshot for it and you may understand over it. Okay, see, this is given the triangle. Okay, this is your triangle, this is your scalene triangle, this is your scalene triangle. See, A B C means it no side of the triangle is given equal, so its perimeter will come as the perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C, or you can say that the sum of all sides also. Like as here is given equilateral triangle, all sides to add and the perimeter is equal to A plus A, or we can say that the sum of all sides is equal to, you will get that the 3A, means you will get the certain type of the side of perimeter of that. Isosceles triangle, as I told you, only two sides are given equal. Okay, A and one side is different, so you will get that perimeter is equal to B plus A means what? see, this is the certain type of figure. This is AA and this is B. Then you will have to add AA and then you have to add the B. Okay, then you will get that the B plus 2A. Okay, with it is very simple, don't take very stressfully. In the square, as I had told you, you can use the perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Okay, and this is the rectangle known as the perimeter is equal to length plus breadth. Okay, you can take the formula as the 2 into length plus breadth, then you can get this perimeter and you can get this perimeter. Okay, you may take this pause the video and you can may take the screenshot for the formula sheet, which is very helpful for you. Okay, and you must first of all you must be understand this. Okay, this formula sheet is very important for you. You should first of all understand all the formulas, then you should try to solve the examples and then you will get your answer, then you can solve the question. Okay, there are very simple tricks. Now the very fabulous or the very announcement for you. Let's know what is the we are going to bring for you. This is very excitement for you. Let's know what will happen. But you may have the question that's a let know and the unknown, means you have to know the something is special for you we are bringing soon. But there is the special for you is that, let's see forward. Okay, see, there is the Sunday special. Tomorrow you may will see that the what is the Sunday special. Okay, have a nice day. Okay, so please get this very important things, this and this you may understand now. Okay, have a nice day, take care, stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much, bye.